AI bots are super popular right now. Everyone's using tools like Claude. But with all that hype, have you ever thought about the security side of things? For example, a bot could get tricked by just one malicious command, or even be controlled remotely. These risks are very real. I recently came across a tool called Clawdsecbot, which is a security protection and risk governance assistant focused on AI bot scenarios. If you're already using AI bots like OpenClaw, which previously known as Clawdebot and Moltbot, running AI bots on your work devices, or a professional who wants to set up custom permissions for your bots, then this is something you definitely need. Cordsecbot runs as an independent security proxy on the same device as the AI bot, requiring no changes to the original business logic. It lets your team use AI bots safely at scale for critical business tasks, without slowing anyone down. Getting started? First, go to the official website. You can also download and experience it on the App Store. Once it's downloaded, open the app and click Next. Then, select the AI agent you want to use and insert the API key. You're ready to go. After running, Cordsecbot will provide official site clips, real-time protection, and intent deviation detection. Continuously monitors AI bot conversations and instructions to identify risks like prompt injection, rule bypassing, and malicious guidance. It determines if the bot has deviated from its intended business purpose and handles high-risk requests through interception, questioning, or privilege reduction to ensure the bot operates within security boundaries. Permission configuration and tool/skill control provides fine-grained permission configurations for tools, plugins, and skills bound to the bot, which capabilities can be used, under what conditions, and what the parameter limits are. It also sets specific risk control rules and confirmation mechanisms for high-risk operations, such as accessing sensitive data or batch changes to reduce the risk of misuse and abuse. Protection monitoring and audit traceability displays the protection status, current risk events, interception logs, and alerts of various bots through a unified monitoring interface. It completely saves key conversation fragments, tool calls, and risk control decisions, supporting post-event auditing and problem tracking to make bot behavior observable, explainable, and accountable. Overall, if your team is using AI bots, or you want to safely bring bots into critical business tasks, Clawdsecbot is definitely worth checking out. I've dropped the link in the comments so you can head to the official site and take a look for yourself.